Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing today. I am super excited because in today's tutorial, you're going to learn step by step how to create your own AI-powered vlog video using a fully consistent animated character just like this one you're seeing right now. You're going to learn how to generate your character in different scenes, how to keep her consistent every time, how to create beautiful images for each part of your vlog using free tools, and then how to animate, lip sync, and bring it all to life perfectly. Check out this lifestyle vlog I created using these steps.
Good morning, beautiful people. Today is another day to win. We're not rushing life anymore. This part of my routine is where I remind myself that I deserve gentle care. This first sip is my signal to activate productivity mode.
Steps. They are stunning, right? We are literally entering a new era of content. And if you master this now, you will always be ahead. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. Let's see the magic behind how this AI vlog was created step by step. Let's dive in.
To start this video creation, we'll be using the help of ChatGPT to generate our image scenes, okay, and also the dialogue, all right? So the first thing is press on the plus sign here, upload the image of your 3D avatar, okay? Upload that. If you want to learn how to convert your image to 3D pixel style, you need to watch one of my videos, all right, to see how you can change your image to 3D pixel style, all right? So once you attach the image, all right, so you add this prompt, create a 3-morning routine vlog using this image as a character and add a short dialogue to each scene, okay? So you generate, ChatGPT will generate that for you, okay? So ChatGPT have generated morning routine vlog. This one is waking up and gratitude. You can see the dialogue, okay? Then also you can see the skincare and self-love time, all right? And also the coffee morning planning, all right? You can as well edit the dialogue if you don't like what it says there, okay? So the next is to ask ChatGPT, create image generation scene, okay? For each scene, okay? I want her to be in a selfie mood, all right? This is what ChatGPT have given to me because we want her to be in a selfie mood, all right? For each scene. So you can see each scene. This is what you can use, the image prompt that ChatGPT have generated, okay? So this will be a guide for us to be able to generate different scenes with our character, all right? So if you have ChatGPT Pro, you can continue your image generator on here, but we'll be using another tool to generate our images, okay? So to create multiple scenes of our character, okay, we'll be using Gemini, okay? Why I'm using Gemini is that Gemini have a nano banana, which is the image generator tool features you can use on Gemini. It gives you multiple access to generate multiple images, okay? So this is how Gemini looks. You can go ahead and sign up with your Google account, okay? When you sign up, this is how the interface looks. Whenever you want to create image on Gemini, please remember to always select create image, okay? Put the create image on, import the image of your 3D pixel style, okay? Import it. Head over to
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
All right. Okay, so copy your prompts. Copy your prompts, the first prompts. Okay. So you attach your image and remember to ask ChatGPT, Gemini, remember to add using this image as a reference, please create, okay? And you paste in your prompt from ChatGPT, okay? You paste in the first prompt, if your first image prompt from ChatGPT, all right? You allow it to generate. Okay, amazing. So this is what Gemini gave to me earlier, which is perfect, but the clothing she's putting on, she was still putting on the exact clothing on the image. I asked Gemini to change her dressing to a night pajamas, which is what Gemini swapped for me, okay? So this is cool. Let's generate the second scene, okay? You follow the same process. Head over to your ChatGPT and copy the second scene, okay? Copy the second scene. This one will be in the bathroom, okay? Okay, so remember I said you can make edit to your prompt. So here I said make her dress on a white white towel on her head as well in a selfie bathroom mirror. Okay, so here is it. You can take a copy of the prompt, but always adjust your prompt whenever ChatGPT or any AI text generator gives you a text. Try to edit it. Okay, so we ask it to generate. So if you want to download your image, click on the image. Okay, if you're using an app, you see a download button, or if you're using a browser, just press on it and download the image. It will save to your file. Okay, so you can see our second image is ready. All right, just tap on it. You see a download arrow, or you press on it and it will download. Okay, go ahead and download, or generate all your image scenes this way. Okay, use Google Gemini. It provides you clear cinematic images. Okay, so now that we've generated all our images, all right, the next is for us to proofread our dialogue. All right, you can see the dialogue here. This is for scene 1. All right, this is for scene 2. This is for scene 3. Make sure your dialogue and your image, there is consistency throughout. Okay, make sure your dialogue matches your scene. All right, so the tool we'll be using for animating is Grok AI. Okay, so go to your app store, your Play Store, and download Grok AI. This is their logo. All right, you can see I already have it installed. Just click on open. This is how their interface look. Go ahead and register or log in with your Google account. This is a new platform. It offers you text, image generator, video generation. It's very good, and it offers you multiple access, multiple images, multiple videos. All right, so go ahead and use Grok AI and see how it is. All right, when you come to Grok, when you get on Grok AI, remember to select imagine. Okay, because wherever you want to generate a video, you want to generate image, always select imagine. All right, next we want to bring in to animate our first scene. Click on the plus sign. It will take you to your browser. Select your first scene. So our first scene is the one she's waking up. Remember, we are vlogging, so we want the selfie to be there. Okay, so one thing with Grok AI is when you import a video, attach a video from your gallery, Grok will automatically analyze that video and image and turn it to a video. Okay, but don't worry, once the video generates, I will now show you how you can customize it. Okay, to make it to lip sync. Okay, and to also to carry out the action, whatever you want your character to do using Grok. So we'll head over to ChatGPT and copy our first dialogue. Here you can say, it says, "Good morning today," just go ahead and copy that. Copy your first dialogue. Okay, our video have generated. What you will notice, you can see there is no voiceover or lip syncing to this character. Okay, it's just making movement. This is what Grok does. As I said earlier, once you upload an image on Grok will automatically turn it to a video. All right, but for us to customize, to instruct our character, to say whatever word we want to say, okay, all you have to do, come down to bottom of that video. You see where it says type in or customize, or you can click the arrow on the side and you will see custom. Okay, select custom. All right, okay, you can select the arrow on the side and select custom. Okay, once you select custom, this will pop up here. Here you will put instruction what you want your character to say. Okay, all you have to do is to type in make her say, then you under quotation, open and close, you add in your dialogue. Okay, so do it this way. Remember, Grok only generates 6 seconds video, so you need to limit the words. If you generate and the word cuts off, you can continue another scene from where the word cuts off. Okay, but it's better for you to reduce your dialogue. Target 6 seconds. Okay. Okay, once you've edited your dialogue, you just send it off. Okay, Grok will automatically generate the video. You just have to wait a few seconds for it to generate. Okay,
anymore.
Okay,
good morning, beautiful people. Today is another day to win. We're not rushing life anymore. Good morning, beautiful people. Today.
So to generate our second scene, okay, we'll go to the second scene and pick and select the voiceover. Okay, the dialogue for the second scene. Once you copy that, head over to Grok. Use the same criteria. Select the second image where she's doing her skincare. Remember, when you upload image, Grok will automatically turn it to a video. So you need to wait for that to generate. After that, you can now go and customize your image, like to add your dialogue. All right, so let's wait for it to generate. After this, we'll now customize it. So this is what Grok gave to us. This is so beautiful. Okay, all we have to do is to generate, then click on the arrow, select custom. Okay, and make her say, type in, make her say, remember pasting your dialogue. If you want to edit it, okay. Okay, you go in, type in your prompt, and just remember to add make her say. Okay, remember to start your sentence with that. Then remember to open and close your dialogue, please. Okay, let's send it up.
This part of my routine is where I remind myself that I deserve gentle care. This part of my routine is where I remind myself that I deserve gentle care. This part of my routine is where I
Okay, so if you have watched this video to this extent and you enjoy it and you plan to start AI vlogging as your content, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorials like this. Okay, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.